Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to set your phone into debugging mode. First of all, I'll tell you what are the advantages, how or why do we need to set our phone into debugging mode. First, we need to set our smartphone into debugging mode for developing purpose. For those developers of Android, usually connect their phones with their computer in the process of development. Therefore, they need to make or to set smartphone into debugging mode so as they can connect between their smartphone and a computer they are doing programming. The second reason why do we need to set our smartphone into debugging mode, for those Android technician who repair smartphone, usually make some changes in setting. They usually root Android device and making different setting and repairment. So for that purpose, usually they need to set smartphone into debugging mode. The last reason why do we need to set our smartphone into debugging mode is application between PC and the smartphone. If there is application which runs let's say if there is application for Android but it is running in computer, therefore you need to make to set your smartphone into debugging mode, then you will connect to USB. Finally, everything you're doing in computer will be executed in smartphone. So if you are using application which interlink between computer and a smartphone, you will need to set your Android smartphone into debugging mode so as you can share the functionality. It's like a bridge for interconnecting smartphone and Android. So those are the three reasons why do we need to set our smartphone into debugging mode when connected to USB. So how the final part of this video is how to set our smartphone into debugging mode when connected with USB. So click on setting. Yes, this is the setting. Then we need to choose the developer option. This is the developer option. After developer option, here there is option developer option. As you can see, it is on. Debugging mode is on. So if you click here, if you turn off, means you stop debugging mode. No. Option is here, debugging. USB debugging when USB is connected. So you should turn this option on for your smartphone to be in debugging mode. So that's it. Debugging, USB debugging is present into developer option, as you can see. So if you come here into developer option, find debugging USB debugging. So that's it. Thanks for watching. So thanks for being with me from the beginning of this session up to the end. Just to put a short summary of what we have learned. We have learned why do we need to set our smartphone into debugging mode when connected to USB. Yeah, we mentioned the three reasons. The first reason is the developer of Android. Second reason, for those smartphone technicians who repair root devices and make some changes in crucial setting of phones. The last is application learning between smartphone and PC. And the last part was the actual process of setting our smartphone into debugging mode, where we go to setting, find the developer option, then turn on debugging mode. Thanks for watching. This is the end of my tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment, subscribe for next video update. Goodbye. See you in my next videos.